Hey there and welcome back. I am Mr. LH and this video is part 3 of a series in which we are creating a static platformer. In the previous video, we had explored jumping, health and damage. If you haven't watched it, part 2 will be available in the iCard above. And if you are new to the series or to this channel, the entire playlist is also available in the iCard above. If you do end up liking this video, do drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. I would like to hear your opinion in the comment section below. If you have any ideas or what we must implement in the future videos, do mention it over there. Without further ado, let's begin. In the last video, we had created a hunter and made him look in direction of the bear no matter where our bear is. Today, we'll give our hunter a bullet and give our bear an attack. Part 1. Movement of bullet. Let me quickly import a bullet which I had downloaded. So go to costumes, convert to vector and rotate at 90 degrees here. Let's set the size to 10%. Yes. First, we want a bullet to go to the hunter and from there, point in direction of the bear and move towards the bear. So from events, we'll take when green flag is pressed. Go to hunter. Point towards bear. And glide 3 seconds to bear. Let's see how this works. And it looks good. Let's move our bear to this side of the hunter and let's see. That works fine as well. For this video, I will be hiding both the bear trap, not deleting them but hiding them. When we play the script, you can see it goes to the front layer. Let's change that. We'll go to looks, go to layer back, and we want this to repeat every, let's say 5 seconds. Wait 5 seconds and let's put this in a forever loop. Let's see how that works. And then this follow the bear. As you can see, it does not go to the bear but it goes to the initial position of the bear and stops over there. Let's stop the script and put this glide towards bear and do it repeat until touching bear. Let's see how that works. As you can see, it's going towards the position of the bear. This reminds me of something. As you can see, this is not actually how a bullet moves, but this can have some fun implementations. So let's stop the script and remove this. Let's put a hide at the end of our script and a show at the starting of our script so that when it touches the bear, it disappears and then it reappears when we want it. and instead of gliding, let's do change X. But now the problem is we can either set it to minus or plus. Let me show you all. Just give me a minute. As you can see, no matter where a bear is, it will point towards a bear, but it will move only towards the left. We can simply solve this by putting an if-else. As you can see, a bullet let the bullet go back to the hunter, then we will see this. When it points towards the left direction, that is the bear is towards the left, it has a negative direction. And if the bear was towards the right of the hunter, the bullet would have been pointing in a positive direction. So let's code that. Motion take direction. And from operators, the greater than block. If direction is greater than 0, that is it's positive, we will change X by 3 and we'll repeat this until it's touching the bear. And we'll duplicate this and we'll do this to minus 3. We'll put this in our forever loop, put the hide underneath, and let's see how that works. Let's put our hunter slightly down for now, so that it's a little bit easier to avoid the bullets. As you can see, the bullet has not returned to the hunter because it's stuck in this loop. To avoid this loop, it's simple, we have to just put if touching bear or let's duplicate this or touching edge. These 4 sides are the edge. And now let's run this and see. As you can see, after 5 seconds, the bullet returned to the hunter. And that is the logic. Now, whenever the bullet touches the bear, we want it to broadcast damage. We can't simply put the damage here because even if the bullet does not touch the bear and it touches the edge, it will broadcast damage. Let's put in a if then statement. If touching bear, broadcast damage and hide. And put another if touching edge, hide. Let's see how that works. As you can see, the bear returned to the starting position, but the health did not change, and that is because we have put change held by -1 in the traps. Let's delete it from here. And put it here. I receive damage. Change health by -1. And that should do it. Let's see it in action. And that works absolutely fine. And now we have completed part 1, that is movement of bullet. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, why don't you check out my merch store? I have started a merch store with new designs dropping every week. Customized and personalized printing also available. DM me on Insta. The quality is really good and you can check out the quality at the site while shopping. There are various types of item available and it starts from Rs 219 only. So please pay a visit, it really helps support the channel. Use the coupon code EARLYBIRD to get 50 rupees off. Offer valid for a limited time only. Start part 2. Bear attack. Have a button assigned to attack. Button A is pressed. Let's broadcast some message. And name it attack. Let's press the Q key to broadcast attack. Let's make a variable that will hold our attacks for all sprites and name it attack as well. You can name it anything you want, but attack suits the best. When the green flag is set health to 50 and set attack to 5. From events, when I receive attack, change attack by -1. We will keep reducing attack. Let's see. When I press the Q key, you can see the attack is reducing. But you can see the attack can go in negative values. So to prevent that, we'll put an if. If attack is less than 0, set attack to 0, and we will put this in a forever loop. And now you can see my attack, no matter what. You can see here I'm pressing the Q key. My attack remains 0. This is to ensure that the attack is never negative. Let's go to bullet. And when bullet receives attack, the distance from a bear is less than 100, you can play around with these values and find which is best for your project. And And we have to check one more thing, that the attack is not 0. If attack is greater than 0, then we need to hide. Let's see. Press the Q key and you can see the bullet disappears without our health reducing. Let's add an animation. For that I have selected a llama. Let's go to costumes, convert to vector. Let's flip it vertically and horizontally, and that looks better. Let's set the size to 50. When I receive attack, I will show. Go to layer forward. I'll set the rotation style to left and right. Go to bear walking. Let's do this point towards bullet. Point towards bullet, and if let's duplicate this part from bullet to claw. Let's put this here and here down. And here we'll remove this repeat until. You have to just do change x by 70, change x by minus 70. And hide, which will be in looks. We won't be able to attack if our attack is 0. So we'll put an if here. If attack we should do this only if attack is greater than 0. Let's see this. Let's put a delay block here so that we can see what's happening. And we have pressed the green flag, and let's see what happens. As you can see, it's working perfectly. That's it from my side. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And that's it from my side. Peace out.